One, two, one, two. Hi, everyone. My name is Artsem, and I'm thrilled to be here today to share my knowledge and expertise in App Store optimization and Apple Search Ads. So, my topic basically about how Apple Search Ads and App Store optimization affect each other. And I try to provide some valuable insights about this topic, and I hope that make you think, basically. So before I start, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Artyom once again, and I have over 6 years of experience in App Store optimization and Apple Search Ads. And I also have successfully worked with apps in different categories like finance, business, photo, video, health and fitness, and etc. You can ask questions. Yeah, first off, let me provide some details about Capital.com. So Capital.com is a user-friendly online trading platform offering access to global markets and also offering access and a wide range of financial instruments. And Capital.com is a licensed company, and we are represented in numerous countries around the world. So basically, on the screenshot here on slide, you can see where are we represented. And let's go. So what is App Store optimization, Apple Search Ads, basically? So just briefly, to be on the same page. So App Store optimization is the process of optimizing app page, basically to increase app visibility and conversion rates. So what elements we basically optimize? So that's title, subtitle, keywords, also screenshots, icon, also working on ratings and reviews. So one moment for water here. Sorry. Yes, what is Apple Search Ads? So basically, Apple Search Ads is an advertising platform and for promoting mobile apps in App Store, basically. So that's the easiest way to get first installs and impressions, and the easiest way to increase your app visibility by advertising on the available placements like Today tab, Search tab, Search results, and also product pages. So that's a good question, how you increase app relevancy, basically. And then I'll ask you this question, basically. So that's the most important, basically. I want to say that to optimize your metadata before you start running Apple Search Ads campaigns. So that's, first of all, you should be prepared with your text metadata, like title, subtitle, keywords. So what we want doing that, basically, we want that the algorithm to recognize that the keywords that you mentioned in your metadata is relevant for your app, basically, and get impressions by these keywords. So this is how basically Apple Search Ads helps App Store optimization. So also Apple Search Ads helps App Store optimization improving category and keyword rankings. So that is by generating installs in total and also by generating installs by specific keywords. You also can have benefit like increasing your ranking downloads by specific keywords. So also the main and important that I would share with you here about Apple Search Ads and how Apple Search Ads can help App Store optimization is Apple Search Ads. It's good and important data source for App Store optimization because the big challenge for App Store optimization is finding sufficient data regarding keyword rankings. So no rankings about keyword conversions. And also about market size, basically. So Apple Search Ads resolve this problem by providing this data. So here is, you can see that Apple Search Ads, we've got impressions, search terms, conversions, share of voice, and other data. Also, we've got data from our internal BI system, and we've got these insights about basically about search volume of keywords, keyword performance, and decided audience and traffic volume. So these data help us to understand, basically, for me, it's important one, that's data about conversion, keyword conversions. Why? Basically because we understand the value of keywords, and we prioritize these keywords in metadata. Yeah. So the second, so that's more the second, of course, custom product pages. It's what App Store optimization, how App Store optimization helps Apple Search Ads. That's basically what is custom product page. It's a feature of App Store Connect, and that allows us to create up to 35 unique app pages with the relevant content to your audience, basically. So basically, it's primary tool for increasing conversions by using keyword clusters. And also, that's a primary tool for decreasing cost per install. So here we can see on the slide how we to decrease basically cost per install, but I didn't share here these informations here basically, but we increased our TTR by 2.8 times and CR by 2.5 times here. So this is example about keyword action. Basically, that's not only keyword in this keyword cluster, also we have other keywords. And this is good example how it works. Also, I have other examples about this. This is almost all, but not all. We have more custom product pages for other keyword clusters. It's like about for CPP trading, for CPP investing, CPP crypto, like Forex, stocks, and trading view. So we run basically all campaigns using these keyword clusters and setting up special custom product pages for these keyword clusters. So ratings. Basically, rating is also important because it's displayed on the ad banner, Apple Search Ads ad banner, and it's directly affects on conversion rates. Mostly on not only conversion rates, and also tap to rate. And also there is insight like that if your app have 1 to 2 ratings, you have limited access to the auction basically. So you need to work on that to have more to have full access to the auction and get more share of voice. So discovery campaigns, it's from site Apple Search Ads. Basically, you can with Apple Search Ads you can run discovery campaigns and find new popular search terms to add in your main campaigns. And also, you can leverage these data, like search terms, for your metadata to increase visibility by these keywords. So basically, I'm sure that you know how it works, how to run these discovery campaigns, but here I shared that you should use these match types like source match and broad match to running discovery campaigns, basically. So, and takeaways here, the main takeaway here, I will share with you main takeaway a bit later. But before, here is, you can see once again how store optimization and Apple Search Ads affect each other by keyword optimization, custom product pages, localization, rating, and reviews. Also, Apple Search Ads, it's a data source and discovery campaigns provides. and also driving downloads. So I would say about the main takeaway, like that. That's the communication between App Store optimization team and Apple Search Ads team. It's key to achieving the better results in app visibility and conversion rates. So that's all from my side, basically. Thank you very much for attention. Thank you very much.